Isn't it amazing how technology can literally give us endless opportunities to earn money online? What if I told you you could get paid to watch YouTube videos? If you watch YouTube videos, you can make $1 every 30 seconds. If you're new to my channel, this is MetaUverse, bringing you awesome videos about cool tech, making money online, and much more. First, you need to sign up for a YouTube account. If you haven't already, go to youtube.com and sign up for a free account. To do this, I use the menu under Sign In at the top of the page and click Create Account. Then click for personal use. Then enter your first and last name, email address, and password before clicking Next. Or you can use your Gmail account to create your YouTube account. Later, I'll show you how to make a lot of money and get the best results for free by using this platform. Don't skip any parts of the video. Watch it from beginning to end. Next, you need to learn how to get money out of your account. Many people make the mistake of going to one of these websites where they are paid to do different tasks before they actually start making money. But when the time comes, many customers don't know how to get their money back. But don't worry, I've got it taken care of. The best thing about this strategy is that you can pay in many different ways, such as with PayPal, Litecoin, AirTM, Skrill, and others. But I like PayPal better. One of the best ways to get money back is to use PayPal, which is free. You can use it from anywhere in the world, and it makes it easy and quick to get paid. Please though, leave a comment below telling us how you'd like to get paid. I'll try to make videos about it as well. Before you can start, you need to make a free PayPal.com account. Signing up is easy and doesn't take more than 5 minutes. Go to picoworkers.com with me. picoworkers.com is a global online marketplace where freelancers and small business owners can find low-cost, simple jobs. This is our website that brings in money. You can make money online in a number of ways with PicoWorkers. You could be working and looking for a side job, or you could watch videos on the site to make a good living. You can do it in your spare time, and you don't need any technical skills or knowledge because all you have to do is click the play button. Watch the video and cash out. You can do it too. Go to picoworkers.com, now known as Sprout Gigs, and click on the Freelance and Earn button. This will take you to this page where you can see how much money people make every day using this website. Here you can see the most recent tasks, as well as the names of the employees and their total pay. As you can see, we have people from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Kenya, and the Philippines, among other places. There are people from many different countries all over the world. After that, I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me which country you're watching this video from. So I'll be able to make videos in the future about doing things that are important to your area. Because of this website, people are now making hundreds or even thousands of dollars. There are people who make a few dollars, $100, $700, or even more than $2,000 per year. Amazing for sure. Here you can now see the latest withdrawal requests, as well as the payment methods and withdrawal amounts. This page has a lot of all the proofs of payment. This money was taken out in cash. As has already been said, there are different ways to pay. You may have noticed that this won't make you rich, so don't count on it to do that or to replace your regular job. To put it simply, you can do this on the side to make more money. Are you still with us? If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I want you to sign up for a free account here in the Freelance and Earn section so you can start making money. You will be sent to this page where you must type in your real name, email address, password, nickname, and country. As you can see, this is every country on the list. Just pick your country because people from everywhere are welcome there. Before you click the sign up button, make sure the boxes next to "I'm a worker" are checked and that you agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. As soon as you're signed up, you can start making money online. Don't worry, I'll show you the right way to do it. After successfully making an account, you can now sign in. This is how your new account looks. You will see that there are many job openings here. Pay varies from job to job. On the right, you can see how much money you might be able to make. Now, go to the section Category and choose Video Marketing. And click on the Apply button. You may also filter the location. This will show all the jobs that are open. So, how exactly does it work? Just click on any of the positions that are open. Since this is a new account, you must give some personal information such as your date of birth, city, a security question, and the answer. Then we'll be able to figure out how much you'll get paid to just watch the video. You have to do what employees are expected to do. Start by going to youtube.com, then use these words to search. You can't copy it, you have to type it. Third, look for a video that has this image as its thumbnail. Remember that you won't get paid if you use filters like newly upload or something like that. If you don't want to lose your money, keep watching the whole video without stopping. The trick is to put the video on mute and let it play in the background. This way, you don't have to watch the whole thing. By doing that, you can make money online without doing anything. You have to like the video as well. You can see that it's not that hard. I'll say it again. Even if these videos are playing in the background, they still count. There aren't many jobs on Sprout Gigs that pay you to watch YouTube videos, so if you want to make the most money, you should think about doing other things. Also, they are so easy that even people with no experience can do them. People could get paid on the Microjobs website for doing things like liking their Facebook posts. To start getting payments, all you have to do is press one button. Also, you might get paid if you click on a link to go to a website. That's the simplest thing you can do, even if it's not a lot of money. I think it's worth it because of how much work it is. If you want to start a side business online, you could invest the money you make from Pico workers in something you think will increase in value over time. They also have jobs like platform registration, which only requires a first name, last name, and email address. There are tens of thousands of jobs out there for you to choose from. Best of all, you can finish as many as you want. You might be able to do these tasks quickly while sitting still for a few hours, and the money will come in quickly. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos, and if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.